Care and maintenance from NSK, Panaspray Plus and Care 3. Panaspray Plus is designed to be easy to use with all major instrument brands, with nozzles available to connect NSK, Cavo, Sirona, W&H and B&Air instruments. Nozzles are colour-coded for easy recognition. The NSK Care 3 Plus Care and Maintenance Unit can clean and lubricate up to 3 instruments in under 2 minutes. The Care 3 Plus is usable with all major brands. When using Panaspray Plus with turbines, first choose the correct nozzle for the respective instrument. Shake the Panaspray Plus can, place it upright on the worktop and insert the nozzle into the instrument. Holding a clean tissue over the head of the turbine, spray for a minimum of 2 to 3 seconds. If debris is found on the tissue, then repeat the process until only clear Panaspray Plus oil is showing on the tissue. Use the Panaspray Plus tip nozzle to clean and lubricate the chuck at least once a week. Cover the rear of the head with a clean tissue. Insert the nozzle into the chuck and again place the can in an upright position after you've shaken it. Spray for a minimum of 2 to 3 seconds. Again, repeat if debris is found. Using the E-type nozzle, the same process can be used for contra-angle and straight instruments. Rather than changing nozzles between instruments, you can save time by using multiple Panaspray Plus cans with different nozzles. Shake the can, place flat on the worktop and insert the nozzle into the handpiece. Spray for 2 to 3 seconds and check the tissue for debris, repeating the process if any debris is found. As with turbines, the chuck should be cleaned and lubricated weekly using the tip nozzle. Panaspray Plus can be used for direct connect screw-on type turbines using the tip nozzle. Shake the can, insert the tip nozzle into the smaller of the 2 large tubes, which is the air intake hole. And as always, place in an upright position. Cover the larger of the 2 air large tubes, which is the air exhaust hole, and the turbine head with a clean tissue and spray for 2 to 3 seconds. As with the other instruments, repeat the process if any debris is found on the tissue. The chuck should be cleaned and lubricated on a weekly basis using the tip nozzle in the same way as with quick connect coupling type turbines. You can also use Panaspray Plus with air motors using the tip nozzle. Insert the tip nozzle into the smaller air intake hole and place the can upright. Cover the larger air exhaust hole with a clean tissue and spray for 2 to 3 seconds, repeating the process if any debris is found. Panaspray Plus can also be used with NSK's new Timax 970 air scaler using the appropriate high-speed nozzle. All other air scalers should be lubricated by using NSK lubricant oil only. When using the NSK Care 3 Plus Care and Maintenance Unit, first make sure the unit is plugged in and the air supply is connected. The air pressure should be 3 bar. If necessary, unscrew the cap on the top of the unit and use the included funnel to top up the oil level. Ensure that the air line is turned off and that any air pressure built up inside the unit is released by pushing the air button after the air supply has been turned off. To start using the Care 3 Plus, switch on the power on the right-hand side of the unit. Care 3 Plus can be used with adapters for all major brands. Open the door and connect 1, 2 or 3 instruments to the correct adapters. Use the built-in E-type adapter for contra-angle instruments and straight handpieces and brand-specific adapters for turbines, unless they're direct connect screw-on type, in which case you screw them straight on the bare connector in case of Midwest M4 connections, or use a Midwest M4 to Borden B2 converter. Turn the instruments so that the heads are facing outwards before closing the door. The numbered buttons on the control panel refer to each of the Care 3 Plus's 3 ports. Select the correct program mode for each instrument type by pressing the button. For turbines, select S. For blue band contra angles and straight handpieces, select L. And for red and green band contra angles, as well as all surgical instruments, select E. Press the Start button to begin the cycle. You should see the oil level visibly change and the program mode lights will flash while the cycle is running. There is a magnet on the left side of the unit to hold blank burrs for straight handpieces. When processing straight handpieces with the Care 3 Plus, be sure to insert a burr blank and lock the chuck at all times, otherwise you may damage the instrument and the Care 3 Plus unit. Now you have viewed the video, we recommend you download the Care and Maintenance instruction sheet. See the C&M instruction sheet download button on this webpage.